Every dirt racer asks the same question. Where can I find the fastest products in the world without breaking the bank? We've got your answer. Introducing the Daytona 1 Go Fast Kit. Built for racers by racers. To help you unlock the hidden torque, power, and smoothness in your car. This isn't just a collection of products. It's your secret weapon to dominating the track. If you're serious about racing, you know that every bit of power counts. That's why the Daytona 1 Go Fast Kit is engineered to take your performance to the next level. Inside the kit, you'll get 1 bottle of XL1 engine treatment, 1 quart of dirt track racing transmission fluid, 1 quart of racing power steering fluid, 4 quarts of gear oil, 3060 or 7590, your choice, 1 bottle of professional spray lube, 1 bottle of Daytona 1 Speed Wax, 1 dirt-off spray can, and 2 large Daytona 1 decals for your toolbox or trailer. With reduced drag both inside and outside your vehicle, you'll experience faster starts, more power, and a longer-lasting clean finish. With the Daytona 1 Go Fast Kit, you're not just maintaining your car, you're unlocking its true potential. Upgrade your setup and race ahead. Because when you're serious about speed, you go with the best. Join the winner's circle. Run with the best. Run with Daytona 1.